Okay, good afternoon. So we're now here with Boss Carlo of Premium Overland Outfitters at the 2024 Manila Auto Salon. So ito, nakikita natin, what we have here is a sobrang overland na setup na vehicle. Okay, Boss Carlo will guide us. Boss Carlo, anong sasakyan to?
So this is a Land Cruiser 78 Troop Carrier. So we did a roof conversion.
Roof conversion.
Yes, roof conversion.
Roof conversion is hindi siya basta rooftop tent lang, okay? Roof conversion, ito yon. Sige, Boss Carlo, continue.
So ginupit natin yung roof niya, tapos pinrep yung sides niya. So bolt-on naman specific for the Troop Carrier. And we did the electrical system, yung mga necessities natin na kailangan pag nag-overland, sounds, ref, storage, suspension, basically everything na kakailanganin for camping.
Pero everything na nakalagay dito is ginawa dito sa Premium Overland,
Yes,
correct?
yes. Premium Overland. So, if you want a build like this, pwede tayong mag-set ng meeting para at least malaman natin yung gusto nyo na mangyari para makapag-suggest kami ng items para sa inyo. Kasi yung mga ganitong build natin, usually talagang involved si client. So, yun ang personal bonding natin with client. So,
correct.
Yun, if you have time until Sunday kami dito,
yun.
Pwede nyo kaming dalawin para makapag-explain kami, no? Or explain nyo yung gusto nyong mangyari if you're starting to build or gusto nyo ng ganitong lifestyle. Open kami dito hanggang Sunday.
Yun.
So, yun lang.
Okay, so ito nakikita kasi natin dito itong Truby nila, okay? So ang Alio Cab ba available ba sa iba't ibang klaseng brands din ng sasakyan? Saan siya available? I mean, yung mga accessories ng Alio Cab.
Accessories ng Alio Cab available for most vehicles. Pero yung roof conversion natin, ang meron tayo as of now is for 78 and 76.
Yun.
Specific siya for 78.
So hindi basta may sakyan kayo, pwede nila i-convert ng ganyan.
Yes.
I mean, yan yung nabubuo naman through meetings. Yan.
Yes.
Kaya importante yung meetings, hindi siya yung parang cookie cutter lang na kung ano mag-a-apply sa akin, mag-a-apply sa kanya. No, everything is sobrang specific and halos custom made. Okay? But these products are all again from South Africa.
South Africa.
Correct?
Yes.
And of course with the help of Premium Overland and specifically kay Boss Carlo dito. They will help you and guide you with your overlanding adventure. So once again, thank you, Boss Carlo. Thank you. So you can visit them until Sunday at the 2024 Manila Auto Salon. Nice!